Good morning, period 1A is my project on circles. Circles are very important. We see them and use them in our everyday lives, such as a few things, such as a quarter, the rim of this cup, and the base to this shell casing. So I'm going to teach you the basic stuff about circles. The circle measures 360 degrees. Circles have a center point. The center point is labeled with a letter which will identify the circle. So this is center point A. So the circle will be circle A. Now a radius goes from the center point to one point on the circumference, which is the perimeter of the circle. That's the radius. The radius is half the diameter. A chord goes from one point on the circumference across to another point on the circumference. The diameter is a special type of chord. It goes from one point on the circumference through the center point to another point on the circumference, making it the longest chord on the whole entire circle. I'd like to show you now described angles. Described angles go from one point on the circle across to another point, across to another point, forming an angle. And an described angle is a special type of secant angle shown here. Here's an exterior secant angle, and an interior secant angle, and an exterior secant angle. Another thing I'd like to show you is a central angle. It goes from the center point, goes from one point of circumference to the center point, back to the circumference, forming an angle. Another thing I'd like to show you is tangents. Tangents go from one point on the circle across to a point, across to one point of the circle. It goes past the circle, only passing through one point on each side of the circle. Another thing is arcs. An arc, since the circle measures 360 degrees, an arc is a section of this 360 degrees as seen here. That could be at 40 to 50 degrees. The last thing I'd like to show you are the two main equations you'll need to know for circles. The equation for circumference and the equation for area. The one for circumference is c equals pi r squared, and the one for area is area equals 2 pi r, or area equals pi times diameter. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.